Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Let's make a scenario that you have a bunch of stuff on your page and off your page, but you really only want this compass. So you want to delete everything else on your page, all your scribble, your lake design, and I'm not saying you'll ever do this, but if you will hit Control A, and Control A is going to select everything on or off your page. Then take your shift tool, hold down your shift tool, and select your compass, and then hit delete. Everything on your page but that compass got deleted. And then you could use that for another project or whatever you wanted to do. So you can control, let's do that again. So everything is, separated, and you could go through here and delete this and delete this and delete this, delete that. But to save you time, let's put those back. And you could just go with nothing selected. You don't have to. Control A, which is in WordPerfect in a lot of programs, Control A is Control All. Then hold down your Shift key. Well, let's say this time we want this Lake Travis. Well, I didn't do a very good job. Let me go Control A to select everything. Now I'm going to hold down my Shift key and I'm going to select just that word Lake Travis, and I'm going to hit delete. Now everything deleted except for that text that I might want to use for something else. Anyway, I hope that was a little bit of insight, and thank you for watching.